lecture is pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Our topic is pharmaceutical legislation in India. Firstly, discuss about the jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is derived from the jurisprudentia. Jurisprudentia is a Latin form. Then discuss about the definition of jurisprudence, application of law and its purpose. Then purpose of pharmaceutical legislation in India is to ensure the patient receive the drug of required quality, test and evaluated for the safety as well as efficacy for their intended use. इट्स पर्पज़ इज मतलब जो भी पेशेंट ड्रग ले रहा है उस ड्रग की क्वालिटी सही है या नहीं, वो ड्रग टेस्टेड है या नहीं, और वो ड्रग पेशेंट के लिए लेना सेफ है या नहीं. दिस इज़ द पर्पज़ ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल लेजिस्लेशन इन इंडिया. देन डिस्कस अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल लेजिस्लेशन इन इंडिया. इट्स फर्स्ट फाउंडर इज मिस्टर बाथगेट. Name of the shop is Chemist Shop in Kolkata, or year of commencement of manufacturing is 1910. Second founder is Mr. Smith Stansted. Its industries is Apothecary Shop, or year of commencement of manufacturing is 1918. Then third founder is Cherry Prafulla Chandra. Its name of shop is Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceutical Works. Our founder is Professor T.K. Gajje. Its industries is Small Factory at Parel, Alembic Chemical Works. Then discuss about the three committees. First committee is DEC. Full form of DEC is the Drug Inquiry Committee, and other is Board Committee. Third one is Bhatia Committee. Firstly, discuss about the DEC, Drug Inquiry Committee. Drug Inquiry Committee is also known as Chopra Committee, or its chairman is Dr. B. Mukherjee, and its function is identify the quality and quantity of impure drug imported, manufactured or sold in British India as per as the British Pharmacopoeia. मतलब जो भी इम्प्योर ड्रग है इंपोर्ट की जा रही है या फिर मैन्युफैक्चर की जा रही है और सोल्ड की जा रही है, उसकी क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी को आइडेंटिफाई करना. और सेकंड फंक्शन इज inquiry the legislation that allow qualified person to assess the pharmacy profession. फार्मेसी प्रोफेशन के अंदर क्वालिफाइड पर्सन को अलाउ करना. एंड अदर डिस्कस अबाउट द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ ड्रग इंक्वायरी कमेटी. फर्स्ट रिकमेंडेशन इज ड्रग इंडस्ट्री शुड बी एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन इंडिया. Second recommendation is a central legislation should be implemented either combined or individually as the Drug and Pharmacy Act. Third is the advisory board should be appointed to the central government to look after the object of the act and give timely advice about the necessary amendments in the act to the government. मतलब एक एडवाइजरी बोर्ड को अपॉइंट किया गया जो फार्मेसी के अंदर जो इंडस्ट्री फार्मेसी प्रोफेशन के अंदर जो इंडस्ट्री को इन्वॉल्व किया गया उसके अंदर जो भी फार्मासिस्ट काम कर रहे हैं उनको टाइम टू टाइम एडवाइस देगी एडवाइजरी कमेटी. फोर्थ रिकमेंडेशन इज ऑल इंडियन स्टेट्स शुड हैव मॉडर्न टेस्ट लेबोरेटरी and quality control laboratory to the test and manage the quality of the drug and its product manufactured in the pharmaceutical industry along with the drug imported. Modern test laboratory और quality control laboratory होनी चाहिए. और Fifth recommendation is completion of an Indian pharmacopoeia. Sixth recommendation is setting up the course for training of pharmacists and prescribing minimum qualification for the registration as pharmacist. The next committee is Bohr Committee. Bohr Committee is also known as Health Survey and Development Committee. It is established in 1943 and its chairman is Sir Joseph Bohr. Then discuss about its recommendation. First recommendation is establishment of All India Pharmaceutical Council representing the pharmaceutical trade, education and other pharmaceutical interests. Then second is setting up of Central Drug Laboratory, and third is rigid enforcement of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Then third one is the Bhatia Committee. Bhatia Committee is chairman of Bhatia Committee is S.I. Bhatia. Its purpose is to make the comprehensive inquiry into the working of pharmaceutical industry. मतलब जो भी फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज के अंदर फार्मासिस्ट वर्क कर रहे हैं उनकी टाइम टू टाइम इंक्वायरी करना. और दिस कमेटी सबमिटेड इट्स रिपोर्ट इन जून 1954 और इस कमेटी ने अपनी जो रिपोर्ट है वो सबमिटेड की जून 1954 के अंदर. देन दिस इज़ द थ्री कमेटी. फर्स्ट वन इज़ द ड्रग इंक्वायरी कमेटी और बोर कमेटी एंड Bhatia Committee.